This is a model kit review of a garage and tools. It's a very old model, and it is by Fujimi in 1/24 scale. It's got some nice box art here of the finished product, and kind of shows you the different walls and as well as the tools that come in it. There's some pictures of the finished model there, and probably not realistic at all because it's pretty tidy. Most garages are not. But let's have a look inside and see what we've got. It's a very heavy box. Well, let's have a look. So first of all, here we'll take a look at our glass here. So we've got some, looks like probably parts of our lights there. We've got some windows, and there's a door. This is all molded in clear glass. So that door looks interesting. I'm not sure why it's clear, but the window obviously should be clear. And over here we've got this is part of our it's for our wall. This is the surface of the wall, it looks like, and we'll have to look to see if that's a sticker or not. It looks like it's just cardboard, like it'll be stuck on there and you cut out around it. Here is our floor, and comes with some glue. The glue is probably very old. There's the floor, looks like just plain cardboard. And next we'll have a look at this. Is pretty heavy here. That's all stuck on there. Lots of parts here. This is the base here, and I guess this cardboard is going to be stuck on here like that somewhere. And then we've got these are probably for the walls. Okay, so that's that part here. This looks like this is the one wall here, and that's probably going to be where the door goes. So I'm not sure if you have to cut that out or not. We'll have to look at the instructions. And then over here is the windows section. So very stiff pieces of plastic, very firm and solid. So that's nice how solid that is. And then we've got this is probably part of our equipment for balancing the tires, I'm guessing. Okay, over here we have got some plastic. Looks like clear perspex. And I'm not even sure what these are for, but they are definitely meant to be included. And here are the parts listing. Colors needed, really not a lot. Shows you here how to put the window in, and then the door. Looks like you're supposed to cut away. Supposed to cut that away, and then that goes on the door, the section with the door. Okay, and then we've got the walls. Floor goes on, and then that's the roof and the side walls. Okay, that way you can see. I'll probably end up leaving it one of them open so you can get in. And then if you want to put two together, that's how you would put two of them together. So this doesn't include any actual pieces, equipment in there, but it will make a nice garage.